Okay, happy what? Tuesday. So this is our hair care routine. Y'all know we use the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula. It has olive and tea tree oil in it for growth treatment. Look at that. And y'all, I've been using this for a very long time. Y'all see how long my hair is. It's all the way down to my what? But, so how is everyone doing? I was going to wash, but I have to wait because I still got stuff everywhere, and I thought I had took some more hair products out, but I hadn't. So anyway, I got my oil for my hair and all that. That's a must. How is everyone doing on this beautiful Tuesday? Me and Coco had a good day, as always. And we just came back from my evening walk too. So how often are y'all washing y'all hair? What do you wash your hair with? I use olive oil. Y'all know I use olive oil shampoo and conditioner for my hair. So I use olive oil, everything. And I do that because I don't like mixing different brands. Okay. It's just like going to a beauty salon. I stick with one, especially when they're doing a good job. One beautician. They don't shop hop. I showed Miss my loctician in Alabama. I'm going to go back up in the area. So, we're going to Atlanta. Okay, that's for sure, because we're going to be doing some celebrating up there. Me and Coco and the Most High, we're going to be in Atlanta celebrating our big win. We're going to be up there for at least a good week. And we are also going to be in Miami celebrating our big win as well. So, and that's why I want y'all to go ahead and y'all join. Become a member, because we're going to be doing exclusive content. So you better get it while you can and while it's not so hot. Yeah. Now, y'all see how my locks is joining? That's not going to hurt your locks at all. All you got to do is pull it apart. Even you can use scissors, and your hair is a tree. The whole body is a tree. We connect to the earth. So even if they join together, let them join together. Just like the tree join together. Y'all, I was at the park today, of course, and I seen a tree that had two legs. Now this is gonna last my hair. What is this, Tuesday? Yeah, this good. This is gonna last my hair until at least Saturday. I wash it Saturday. I'll be in the went for another bag. So I wash my hair how often, whenever I feel like it. I really do, because really I could do it like that because with my locks. Because see, I'm not like other people. Some people add a whole bunch of different things in their locks, and so they have so much stuff matted up in it. But all I use is just simple olive oil. So I wash my hair whenever I feel like it. I don't have to wash it a whole lot of. I wash it at least once a month though. So yeah, we will be 10 years locked next month. We will be 10 years locked. Oh yes. We'll be 10 years locked next month. What time sure enough flies. Me and the Most High, we just celebrated 10 years at the VA, Department of Veteran Affairs, Mental Health Administration. Yes, he blessed me to manifest my dream job on my birthday. Yep. And guess what? Not only that, the job announcement that I applied to was divine. It was strictly for me. And I say that because it read totally different from the other job announcement. And it read exactly like it needed to be, because every state had, they name their license whatever they want to, but it's still equivalent, you know. So he made sure that he put the title of my license in that job application. It said license, certification, registration from any state. So it is. And I am so proud of myself, because y'all know what? If I would have gave up on my dreams, on my goals, I would have never gotten my dream job. Very few people get their dream job. And I'm one of those very few. Yeah, one of the few of us. I'm one of the few. Praise the Most High and me. Because see, I had to think a lot of myself, that I deserve it, and have faith and trust in the Most High, because me and the Most High got the everlasting covenant. So I'm going to always win. I'm on the winning team right there. Okay? And I go to the Most High for every single thing like I'm supposed to. Everything. I don't care what it is. Somebody want to bother me, I'm going to him. And he going to deal with it. No joke. Okay, y'all, we did good with this. And always make sure you massage. Y'all, take care of your whole body. Massage that scalp real good. Massage it real good. And use a product that works very good for your hair. So I found this, and this worked extremely well for my hair. Y'all, I haven't even cared about down no darn edges. I wear my headbands. The headbands are so stylish. So, yep. And I am maturing. I just turned 55. Look at all that nice healthy hair. So now we're gonna use our people. Y'all, this ain't nothing but oil. When I do my laundry, I put this one. I put it in the wash. I was just thinking today that I have to order some more dreadlock tubes, you know, the black ones. But you know, you could get them in different colors, right? But I haven't tried them in different colors. Okay, so nice and moisturized. Nice and moisturized. But this is holding good. It's comfortable to sleep in, and it's satin. And they are fashionable. Once I wash it, of course. because the band around it makes it fashionable. It does. It makes it very fashionable. And y'all could shop this item on my Amazon storefront. Okay, I'm going to put the link to my Amazon storefront in the description box for y'all. Okay. And I must say that my skincare line and my my skincare line and my hair care line is out. Shop I Love My Skin. I'll put it all in the description box. And shop our products with us. Now, some of you already is familiar because this is my toner right here. And so I got some more. I got the toner coming, the face wash, and the serum. Now this is the title of my skincare. I love my skin. And the title of my hair is I Love My Hair. Now this is the hydrating toner. Let's see it right there. So proud, yes. So proud to have a business and a huge business because the whole entire world is my customers. And y'all know I do drop shipping with Shopify and Printify. So we ship worldwide. We ship worldwide. And also check out our online fitness store. It's called Lux Suave Fitnesswear. My Shopify.com. I'm gonna put that in the description box too. Okay, y'all. So thanks for watching. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye, babes.